get my light. What? Hey, are we live, y'all? What? That's that squeak in the floor that gets Shook in trouble when he's trying to sneak a snack. Okay. How are you guys doing? It's been a minute, sister. I'm trying to take this off here. I'm going somewhere else. How you guys been? Happy quarantine. Okay, I can't see who's in here. Who's? I haven't had time to do my hair. You see my hair? I look a mess. The red tips are starting to come in. My hair is turning red when I'm in the sun. I don't know if you guys, you know, my hair turns red. Yes, Shook's hair turns red as well. So, anyway, what's been going on? So today, for what's in the kitchen? Oh, what's in the kitchen? Balls. Meatballs. We're going to do meatballs today, okay? Meatball. I'm not going to hold y'all too long. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. You can always have one that's prepped up already, okay? So, let me tell you guys what we're going to do. We're going to have ground beef or turkey, or you can even do like the meatless ground. So this is ground beef right here, okay? We're going to do like a marinara tomato sauce. This is tomato basil. You can do whatever tomato sauce you want to do. We got to hold the meatballs together. Some people use breadcrumbs, but I don't. I love shredded potatoes. I swear it's, you see how it looks? And I'll show you guys how I did that. I used the shredded potato. I got a whole potato and I used the small parts up here. It keeps it moist and it also keeps it together. I have a little bit of onions. Okay. I like to sneak vegetables in there. I don't want to put all the extra stuff that I usually put in there, like the meatballs and the broccoli and the bell peppers and all that. I do that tonight, but I'll sneak in a little bit of carrots. If you guys in the last video, I have the sneaky ass spaghetti where I put all the good stuff inside there. Who is that calling me? Okay, answer that call right now. And I do that. Okay, so I use garlic oil when I'm making the meatballs, but you can just use regular oil. I'm just a fan of garlic, you know. I want to smell like, you know, whatever. As far as seasonings for your meatballs, that sounds weird, meatball. You can use whatever you want to use. I like to just put in the Italian seasoning, which I just got this today. I haven't put in my glass containers. Oh, update everybody. My son got my labels for me. This is seasoned salt. And I put a little bit of parsley flakes. Oh, look at my baby. Oh, hold on. You guys see it? I'm going to have to turn to like YouTube makeup people. You see it? You guys see it? PF. Parsley. And then we have Himalayan pink salt. It's all going to be used on different things. We also have, I just did, that's something good. Okay, so I also have some little rolls. This is really good. I got these from Rouse right here in my hood. You know I live in the hood, y'all. Home style dinner rolls, $3.99. Now, I am a fan of real Parmesan cheese. I love real Parmesan cheese. And this is some Mexican style cheese, which you can use whatever. If you have sharp cheese, keep it 100. Use that sharp cheese. Okay? You hear that sizzling? Bam, bam. That is the one I already prepared. I have a little butter. Hold on, my child's baby. What's up? He wants an apple? Hold on. Hold on a second. My baby wants an apple. Hey, Ebony, how you doing? Here. And then here's some butter, okay? So let's start this because we Southern, I gotta have me some butter somewhere up in here, okay? Somewhere up in here. So let's start with the meatballs. So in the meatballs, I don't like touching raw meat that much if I don't have to. So I'm gonna put the meatballs here, the ground beef here. I'm sorry. This is just plain ground beef. Hey. And then I'm going to take some of the onions. I put the onions on really fine shred, which is this one here. It cooks faster that way instead of putting it like somewhere else. Some people may put breadcrumbs or crackers in their meatballs. That's not how I get down. I do think a little bit different. I have shredded potatoes. What? Shredded potatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of this in. It keeps it together. And it keeps it really moist, if you guys don't know. Also, you guys, I told you guys the carrots. One more again. Uno más. The carrots. I'm going to blend this all in. Right? I'm blending it all in. I'll show you guys how I look at the end. Once I blend it all in, I'm going to get the Italian season, which has oregano, marjoram, I guess it's called. I don't know what it is. And then thyme, rosemary, and sage. I'm going to put this in here. Shake it. Oh, shake it. Shake what your mama get. Hey! I'm going to put that in here. Okay? I'm dropping stuff today. And then I'm going to mix it up a little bit before I put in my seasoning sauce. Okay? Now I'm going to add in my seasoning salt, you guys. Okay? I'm going to mix that all up. For the Pretender TV, I rolled the meatballs up. I've taken it over here. Hold on. So I've taken the meatball, I roll it up. I put it in the pan. Bam! Voila! The meatball is done. You guys see how magical I am that I just put that in my hand and it's good. It's done. Okay. So with me, I like to sometimes I put cheese inside of the meatball. I'll freeze the cheese and I will put inside the meatball. Today I froze it. I put some cheese in it. I want cheese on it. Hey, hey. So the meatball is cooking. Oh, if you guys could, hold on. Smell that? Ooh. So let's turn this off. This is already done. I already did this before, okay? Now I'm going to move the marinara sauce over here because it's already done. I'm going to put this skillet with a little bit of butter. I'm going to put the bread in here. I want to toast the bread because I'm in quarantine. Let's gain all the weight, okay? So I'm going to move this meat on over here and all these good things to the side. Okay, so we're going to take, ooh, look at this butter waiting for me. Hey, Marcy, how you doing? I'm doing good, butter. Me and butter have a relationship. We have a relationship. What's going on? What's good? What's good? So, wow, I'm cooking everything. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of butter. Bow. Put a little bit of butter in the pan. Let it get warmed up. I'll leave my butter out on the counter because my mama said so. Mama said knock you out. Hey. So you see the butter? It's starting to melt. Ooh. Okay, now watch what I does. Watch what I does. I'm going to get a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, right? I don't want too much. I'm going to put it in the butter mixture. Ooh. What? Marcy, why you do it like that? Because I want to. Okay? Don't ask me all no questions. So, I have some garlic powder. I don't know where it's at. Oh, here you go. I got to get some more container. I have so many seasoning. It's ridiculous. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here. Ooh. Marcy, why you did that? A little bit of parsley flakes so it'll look really nice once I get it out. Okay. Now, let's get our bread that we got from Rouse. Bam. Okay. You can use the hoagie breads. You can use sliced bread. You can use whatever bread you want. It's up to you. Whatever floats your boat. We're in quarantine. Use what you can. I'm going to use these bad boys here. Okay. I got these because they were way more moist than the other bread. So that's why I got these. I'm going to cut it in half. Ooh. Who don't like bread? Me, I like bread. So I'm going to take it, put this bread right here. Okay. I'm going to get one more, una más, for my Latina sisters or hermanas. See, I bust down bilingual up in here, okay? Yeah, I don't know about that. Okay, so that bread is cooking. So me, because some people like Ebony Harris may say, oh, she's type A. No, I'm not. I like things we put in order. Everything has a place. I don't like messes, okay? Ebony, I'm talking about you because you always talk about me. I'm that weird person that cleans her stove while I'm cooking, okay? Okay. Okay, so now the bread is cooking. I'm put this in trash if I disappear out of the frame. Okay, so the bread is cooking. The meatballs are good to go. Okay. Now, I'm going to get a plate, you guys. Your connection is bad. This is where I store my dishes. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see over here. Hello. I'm going to do, you guys see when I did the kale mixture before, like the kale and broccoli, I'm going to do the kale and broccoli with this. I want to cook you guys this here really quick. Ooh. Let me put this to the side. Ooh, that was really hot. So I'm going to do a kale and broccoli. This is going to be for a whole nother one. I'm going to just do this one right here, okay? You guys with me? So, the bread is done. Now we're going to take the meatball. Let me show you guys the meatball. Ooh! Oh! Hey! Okay, here we go. Ooh, see the meatball? Let me 3D y'all. Oh, you see the shiz? The queso oozing out. So, what I'm going to do, since I'm murdering up the place, I'm going to take this meatball, drown it in this here marinara sauce, right? Woo! Y'all, I'm committing a crime, y'all. Part of police on me. So now I have this meatball that is so good. I have it, I dumped it in here, so I'm killing off this meatball, okay? See, it's all up in here. Now the marinara sauce, like I said, you can season it up a little bit. I usually use fresh herbs, but I did not want to go to the grocery store today, so we're using what we have in the kitchen, okay? So that was done right there, okay? So now we're going to plate it up real quick, you guys, and I'll let you guys go. I do not like oil on my stove. Okay, let's plate it up, you guys. Woo-wee! Look at, let me just hold it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't even grip it, it's so juicy. Woo! It's so juicy. Let me try to hold it. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, so let's plate it up. Ooh, what? What we doing, sis? What we doing, sis? Okay, we're gonna take this, which tastes good. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys before I cut it. Look at that. What do you think is gonna happen when I cut it? Ooh, let's cut it. I'll put the top layer on. Should I put it on? No, let me let you guys see it first. Hold on. Let me cut it. Hold on. Am I there? Oh, what am I? Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat it. Hold on. I'm gonna cut all the way through. Not cut. Ooh! Let me cut the top layer so I can eat it right away. Hold on, y'all. the cheese. I'm trying to hold a piece of it up. You see the girl. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me close it up. Let me close it up for y'all. Okay. She was naked. Let's look at her. Look at her. She got her outfit on right now. You see the cheese? Let's taste it. If I had a fork, I'll be hitting the plate. It's really good. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna just take one more bite. I'm going to make. Woo! I am going to make my, see that, broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Now, if you don't add cheese inside like I did, you can always take, I'm happy because you can always take the meat and you can add your Parmesan cheese on top. You can add your sharp or whatever cheese on top of it. And then have a salad on the side, okay? That was quick and easy. And very good. Okay, let me just take one more last bite. Hold on now, hold on. So, that was pretty good. So, I am going to have vegetables with it. I'm going to have my Brussels sprouts and kale mixture, okay? I wanted to come on here real quick because I haven't been on Facebook for a little bit. You guys, that was so good. That's so good. So that's pretty much it for What's in the Kitchen. I just want to check in with you guys. That was good. I didn't even get a picture of it, okay? That's how good that was. So I'm going to do my kale and Brussels sprouts. You guys know the kale and Brussels sprouts. If you haven't seen that recipe, look in. Well, it's really good. That been so good. Look in the videos that I've done. I have my kale and Brussels sprouts. It's really fulfilling and it keeps your stomach flat. You know, I done pushed out 3 children, so trust me. So the Brussels sprouts and kale is really good with the veggie mix. Look on my page for that. Woo! That stuff, oh my God. I'm going to do one more. I might not be able to make it to. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Oh, you see that? You have the onions instead of potatoes. They really melt. Oh my God. Look at that. Y'all know I love food. Look at that. Meatball. I'm done, y'all. So, I'm all about sneaking in the vegetables. I haven't been on here for a long time, but I'm all about sneaking in the vegetables. We're going to do a pizza. I think Chuck said he's available to fit us in. This, I think maybe Saturday, which I don't like doing anything on Saturday, so we'll see. We're going to do a pizza for the family. So it's going to be a veggie pizza that your whole family can do together, enjoy it, and you can sneak in all your vegetables, okay? So that's it for What's in the Kitchen. Bye.